Hi, I'm Matilda and I am a certified clinical aromatherapist. I'm also a trainer of internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So if you would like to pursue aromatherapy professionally or you would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do check out my link down below in the description on my courses. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So if you are interested in the topics that I am sharing with you here, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of future videos. Today I'm going to share with you what are some of my favorite oils for promoting deep sleep. Although I don't really have problems sleeping, I do wake up tired sometimes, and when I do diffuse certain essential oils when I sleep a lot better and wake up refreshed. I have also helped many who suffer from insomnia sleep better by recommending them essential oils that help promote deep sleep. So if you like this video that you're watching, I would appreciate it greatly if you could smash that like button and share it with your friends. First on the list will of course be lavender. Lavender is a very popular oil when it comes to relaxing and calming down. Many love diffusing lavender when they sleep as it is a highly relaxing oil. You may also wish to add lavender into your chemical-free bath gel for a relaxing bath before sleep as well. For those of you who grind your teeth when you sleep, you may also apply some lavender along your jawline before sleep to relax the muscles there. Do check out my video on lavender for its other uses in the link above or in the description below after you have finished watching this video. Recently, I love diffusing lavender together with orange essential oil for my sleep blend, as orange helps promote deep sleep as well, and it is also a happy oil that uplifts emotions. I diffuse 5 drops of lavender and 5 drops of orange when I sleep. The combination of this blend just smells so nice and relaxing, and it makes me feel happy. To learn more about orange oil, do check out my video on orange too. Another one of my favorite oils to diffuse when I sleep is frankincense. Traditionally, frankincense helps reduce stress, depression, and anxiety. A lot of times we can't sleep because we think too much before we sleep. We worry about life and we feel stressed. Frankincense helps de-stress and the aroma is very grounding. Do check out my video on frankincense to learn more on the other uses of frankincense too. Besides frankincense, if you have an overactive mind that keeps you from falling asleep, another very useful oil is vetiver. However, as vetiver is extracted from the root of the plant, it is a very thick oil and it smells very earthy and herbal. If you don't like the smell, you can blend it with frankincense and lavender for a deep sleep blend. Another oil that works very well for sleep is cedarwood. Now, cedarwood is one of the cheapest oils that you can find and contains possibly the highest content of sesquiterpenes among all essential oils. They are known for their calming properties and help support our immune system, acting as antioxidants, assisting in cellular repair. However, some love the smell of cedarwood, whereas some hate it. When you combine cedarwood with lavender or orange, the smell changes totally, and that makes it a very suitable blend for promoting deep sleep too. For those of you who find that even lavender is not strong enough to help you fall asleep and have very tense muscles and a tendency to grind your teeth, you may want to advance to using marjoram. Now, marjoram is a highly relaxing oil that you can use to relax your mind, your muscles, and apply along your jawline before you sleep to reduce the grinding of teeth. You may also layer it with lavender for a better effect. Those of you who have serious trouble falling asleep can give marjoram a try by diffusing it when you sleep. However, if you are pregnant, please avoid marjoram. To thank you for watching this video to the end and for all your support, here's a blend that I created for you to have a restful night of sleep. So there we go, this is my ultimate sleep blend. There is no need to add any carrier oil because we will be adding this essential oil to a diffuser. And this blend consists of 80 drops of marjoram, 50 drops each of orange and lavender, 30 drops of frankincense, 20 drops of cedarwood, and 10 drops of vetiver. So you can add all these oils into an empty 15 ml essential oil bottle, and every time before you sleep, all you need to do is add 10 to 20 drops of this blend into an ultrasonic diffuser and diffuse it for 48 hours during sleep. So if you like what I'm sharing over here, do smash the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of future videos. Have a good day and a great week ahead, and don't forget to check out my other videos.